Because yeah, they're not all gonna fit in this little tiny space. There's a lot of them. I see a snake too.
I see a giraffe.
I see Thea. I know, right? And then Twigga, you look so like loose.
Right?
You like, it looks so loose. It's so great.
Well, luckily, the looseness hides the zipper cap that keeps falling down.
Who's in your wall?
Catchy.
Oh, it's Catchy. Okay. I was like, how is he waving at me like that? Okay. This is cool. Yep. Okay. I'm just making sure nobody's blocked, and I think it's fine. Oh, Yeah, I like the company. As long as, yeah, you know, it doesn't seem like anybody seems to care, so it's fine with me. It doesn't seem like the guys seem to care that you're up here with me, so whatever, it works for me.
No.
I don't think so. I just want to make sure they look at me.
We'll let you get your shot first, and then I'll get a couple.
Wow. But yeah, I didn't.
Or you direct as much as you can.
Well, yeah, that's, yeah.
And they should follow you.
Right. I'll just make sure none of the directors are looking at me trying to do something. I'm just making sure none of the guys on the sideline are looking at me for me to tell them something. But nobody's looking at me, so I'll just continue waiting. But yeah, there's no way they could have fit in the sun area. I know. I knew there would be. Like, a lot of people just haven't suited yet. So there's going to be a lot of people wandering the halls for the next couple of hours.
We got a bee.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We got some googly eyes. Couple dirks.
Couple dirks. I'm waving at all the people that I know that are waving back at me.
Hey, just remember, I'm bigger than Zyro while I'm up here.
Yeah, I know, right? This is so cute. I'm just trying to wave at all people. Hi! Hi! Got some southeasterly winds. Okay, so is that everybody? Okay.